Moving on, the specialty tea market has registered double-digit growth in the last 5 years. The growth is being driven by health-conscious consumers. Now in Kenya, orthodox and purple teas are the fastest growing specialty teas, with investors who are keen to cash on the growing demand investing in state-of-the-art production lines. Ernestea is one of the 16 factories that have embraced the production of specialty tea in Kenya, targeting local and international markets. The company is also unique since it is managed by women who are competing against the highly male-dominated sub-sector.
The government has been keen to increase value addition from the current 5% to 50% in the next 5 years. This is meant to increase farmers' earnings and increase employment opportunities. In Kericho, 9 sisters have ventured into specialty tea production, a sector that is dominated by male producers.
The area of tea that we have focused on is what we're calling orthodox tea. The traditional tea is what we call cut, tear, and curl. But the tea that we're using that we're producing in this factory is what we call orthodox tea and specialty tea. And this uses the finest 2 leaves in a bud from the bush.
The sisters have so far spent 100 million shillings to put up the factory as they compete with the big boys in the market.
It's coming close to 100 million, when you think of the value of the land, 3 to 4 acres in Kericho, this is a high potential area. The land here is very valuable. Plus the building itself, plus the staffing, original costs of operating the staff, plus the machinery, roughly 30 million. And right now we're needing to invest more for marketing.
Much of the investment has gone into acquiring modern processing machines to meet the needs of the niche market that requires high quality tea in return for the premium price that they pay for the beverage.
Our first batch of tea in this factory was purchased in total, and it's in line with our business plan. And we hope that we will have break even within 4 years.
Ernestea works with 300 tea growers for the supply of green leaves, which supplements what they already get from their farm.
The policy is that it's a family business and the family members have shares. In future, it may be that we want to do something so big and so grand, requiring so many resources, that we'll say it only makes sense if we open this to the public. And we use the resources that exist within the farms around us, the families around us.
The company has focused on orthodox and specialty teas that include black, purple, and yellow teas.
There's even people who take orthodox tea in Canada. So we will be going as far as we need to get that market. Failure is not an option.
Benson Joba reporting for Easy Friday.